How to take orders for in-room dining or room service. Taking food orders for IRD, in-room dining, or room service requires professional communication, attention to detail, and accurate order taking to ensure a great guest experience. Here's a step-by-step guide. Answering the call professionally. Answer within 3 rings. Greet politely and introduce yourself. Good evening, this is Smith from In-Room Dining. How may I assist you today? Speak clearly, politely, and with a warm tone. Confirm guest details. Before taking the order. Room number. Room number might be visible in your telephone set. If not, ask the guest politely. May I have your room number, please? Number of guests. If guest order food more than one, ask the number of dining person. How many guests will be dining at this moment? This helps in billing and preparing the right setup. Take the food order. Listen carefully. Avoid interrupting. Repeat each item to confirm accuracy. Ask for specific details, such as preparation style, rare, medium, well done, for steaks, etc. Side choices, fries, salad, vegetables. Beverage preference, iced, hot, with or without sugar. Dietary restrictions, vegetarian, vegan, allergies. Example. Would you like your steak cooked medium or well done? Offer recommendations or upsell. Suggest complementing items politely. Would you like to add a fresh juice or dessert to your order? This improves guest experience and revenue. Confirm delivery time. Give an estimated delivery time. Your order will be delivered to your room within 30 minutes. Does that work for you? Repeat and confirm order. Recap the full order clearly. To confirm, you've ordered a Caesar salad, grilled salmon with vegetables, and a bottle of sparkling water, correct? Close the call professionally. Thank the guest politely. Thank you, Mr. Smith. Your order will arrive shortly. Have a wonderful evening. Record the order. Enter order details into the POS, point of sale system or order sheet accurately. Include room number, guest name, order details, special instructions, no nuts, extra spicy. Time of order. Coordinate with kitchen and delivery team. Pass the order to the kitchen quickly. Ensure the delivery staff knows the room number and special requests. Sample IRD order script. Good evening, this is Alex from In-Room Dining. May I have your room number, please? Thank you, Mr. Smith. How may I assist you with your dining order today? You've ordered 1 chicken club sandwich with fries, a Caesar salad, and a glass of fresh orange juice, correct? Your order will be delivered in approximately 25 minutes. Thank you, and enjoy your evening.